Good morning, friends. This is subject EVS and we are going to complete workbook writing of lesson number 10, more about water. Okay, ready? First, what will you do? A. Due to the cold, the coconut oil in the bottle has frozen. We have to pour it out. Answer. We can keep the bottle in the sun or in a bucket of hot water. Very easy. When we want to get out the oil from the coconut oil bottle, that time if it is frozen, we can keep it in the sun or we can keep it in a bucket of hot water. Second, carry out the experiment and write about it. Name of experiment: to see if rangoli dissolves in water. We want to see that rangoli dissolve or not in the water. So what we are going to do, we need to put rangoli in the water. Am I right? So description: I took half a glass of water. I added a pinch of rangoli to it. I stirred it with a spoon. What did I see? The particles of rangoli were sent in the water as before. What does this mean? Rangoli does not dissolve in water. When there are particles in the water, so we can say rangoli does not dissolve in water. True or false? First, water is transparent. True. Pure water looks bluish in color. False. As we know that pure water is colorless, so it's not bluish in the color. When water is heated a lot, it turns into ice. False. When water is heated a lot, it turns into water vapor, not in the ice. Sugar does not dissolve in water. False, because we know that sugar can dissolve in water. Fill in the blanks with words from the brackets. Already options are given. First, pure water has no color and smell or taste. Water is transparent. Next page. Water does not have a shape of its own. Ice is the solid state of water. 5 number. Name the following. 2 transparent substances. Glass, water, we can say. 2 opaque substances. Cardboard, wood. Any 2 solid substances. Ice, iron. Any 2 liquid substances. Water, milk. Any 2 gases. Water vapor, oxygen are the gases. First, A. Give reason. During the rainy season, why do crisp biscuits become soft? During rainy season, there is more water vapor in air. Biscuits absorb it and become soft. B. Water becomes colored when crystals of potassium permanganate are added to it. Water becomes colored because crystals of potassium permanganate completely dissolve in the water. When we add jaggery to water and stir it, the water tastes sweet. Jaggery dissolve in the water, so the water tastes sweet. Okay, next page. D number. The mountain peaks in the Himalayas are always covered with snow and ice. Answer. The mountain peaks in the Himalayas are at great heights. The temperature is very cold there. E. The hot tea in a thermos flask remains hot for a long time. The thermos flask consists of inner glass bottle which is covered by outer plastic or metal covering. Hence the hot tea remains hot as there is no evaporation. F. We can see a nail that has sunk to the bottom of the water. Answer. Water is transparent. Therefore, we can see a nail that has sunk to the bottom of water. G. Sugar disappears when it is added to water and water is stirred. Answer. Sugar can dissolve completely in the water when added and stirred. Hence, it disappears. Second, define. A. Transparent. If you can see through a substance, it is said to be transparent. Okay, opaque. If you cannot see through a substance, it is said to be opaque. When learning the lesson, we have seen about this two definitions. Next point, state. What is meant by state? The form in which a substance may be found. Okay. D. Water vapor. The water starts boiling and turns into vapor. It is called water vapor. 3 number. Answer the following questions. A. What do you mean by pure water? Answer. Pure water has no color, no taste or no smell. B. Write the characteristics of water. First, it is colorless. Second, it is tasteless. Third, it is transparent. C. What are the 3 states of water? Solid state, ice, liquid state, water, gaseous state, water vapor. So children, here we have finished workbook writing of lesson number 10. So what you have to do now? You have to complete this workbook writing in your workbook of EVS. I hope everyone are completing homeworks and workbook writing on the time in beautiful handwriting. Thank you.